nebaza abampa invitation Madam Face the State House Controller tubebaza kati bino sibya kuyimbirira sibya kwogera tubiraba n'amaaso gaffe bibyo mwebalire ddala RCC mwebale kutereza ekibuga ffe tubadde muno okumala ekiseera lwaki naze nakulabye nze ndalisula wa Osapolo Kagwa nga 95 98 nga tusoma mu Makerere College muno nga tuyitiramu tumanyi nakulabye yali efaanaana 95 nga tumunaba kuzaalibwa nakati bwefaanaana awo wansi bali batirawo abantu kubanga kyali ensiko njereere kyewakati toyina nawo okuyinza kugula poloti Katonda si yakikoze ekyo kulabira bakulembeze baffe nga Pulezident Museveni abeerewo abagamba babeere omukono wagumainalemu lwakuba public service tekola mirungo gyesaanidde okukola ogenda mu ofiisi y'omuntu ng'oyagala kubuuza ekyapa kyo mu Ministry of Lands oba water oba mu education nibagamba ayon appointment kati omuntu ova nakulabye abeera ataku appointment kulaba muganda wa President Nzeeyi ate bweyetaaga saavisi ye n'owandiika ebaluwa netwali emyezi 3 n'ogendayo nebagamba tewagigoberera ofuluma kubanga eno public office n'ogendayo ng'oyagala obuyambi n'agamba today I'm not seeing people nti leero tunaku bakulaba abantu n'okuva kulaba ensolo yindiramu ensolo n'otagiraba so tuyinako mujje mujoininge revolution.
We are saying for us we are here to fight arrogance, impunity and corruption. If you can add it on the 4 principles of NRM, Pan-Africanism, patriotism, democracy and social transformation, then I think our manifesto will be the best manifesto come 2026. Because we stand with other parties. We put we write down our manifesto to Ugandans, and Ugandans select our manifesto as NRM. So if we don't fight those bad vices in NRM, the arrogance, the impunity, the corruption, one time NRM will be no more. Other parties will win us. So for us as Revolutionary Guard, fighting impunity. People you find driving recklessly on the road, overtaking, breaking traffic rules. That is not NRM habit. You join us, join Revolutionary Guard. We fight those people. Someone, an elderly lady or a pregnant lady, she's going to hospital. You find they are hooting her, they are swiping her out of the way. And you think that is a good culture we are putting in our country? Why don't you join us? Why do you pick bad things only, you media houses? I'm asking you, join Revolutionary Guard, we fight those acts, bad acts.
But entering it is not easy as you are saying.
Yes.